If you want to log in to your Epic Games account quickly and safely, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're using your email and password or signing in with a linked account like Google, Apple, Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo, I'll show you exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the Epic Games website loads, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top of the page. Click that and you'll be taken to the login screen. If you want to sign in with your Epic Games email, choose the email login option if it appears. Then enter the email address associated with your Epic Games account, followed by your password. Double check that both are typed correctly, because even a small typo can stop you from getting in. After that, click Sign In again to continue. If your details are correct, you'll be taken straight into your Epic Games account dashboard. Now, if you created your account using a linked login method, this part is even easier. Click Sign In, and instead of typing an email and password, choose the account you originally connected to Epic Games. That might be Google, Apple, Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo. Select the one you used, then log in through that service as normal. Once that account is verified, Epic Games will connect you automatically and take you to your profile. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, don't worry, that's just an extra security step. After entering your email and password, or after choosing a linked account, Epic Games may ask you to enter a 6-digit verification code. This code can come through your email, your Authenticator app, or by SMS, depending on how your security settings are configured. Open the app or message, find the code, type it in carefully, and then click Continue. Once the code is accepted, you'll be signed in successfully. If you ever get stuck, make sure you're using the correct login method for the account you created. Many people run into issues because they try email login when they originally signed up with Google or PlayStation, so always use the same method linked to your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to log into your Epic Games account using either your email and password or a linked account, plus how to complete two-factor authentication if it's enabled. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one.